What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wiz, back with another video, back on the road again. I feel like the last couple videos that I've been recording, production value's been kind of low, man. To be honest, I really haven't found a lot of time to record YouTube videos lately, man. My beautiful, beautiful camera, man. I found ways to make money with this camera. I've been really diving deep into photography and videography, man, making a killing. So YouTube is kind of taking a bit of a back seat for me, but you know I gotta show love to you guys, man. All 250 of you all. Subscribers been going up though. I don't know how. Subscribers been going up, but the content hasn't been there. And I apologize. But anyway, in this video, man, I just wanted to go ahead and chat with you guys while I'm riding out on my way home. Yeah, man, the world is pretty crazy right now, as you know. We got this whole situation going on with the whole situation with the word I don't want to say, because they say if you say the word on your video, if you write it in your title, that your video is going to get, well, demonetized. I don't have to worry about that because I'm not monetized, but they say that they're not going to show it to anybody, and you know, you won't get any impressions. So I'm not going to say it, and if you live on planet Earth, you're already aware of what I'm talking about. And the fitness community really took a hit behind everything that came with that, especially with the closure of the gyms, man. And me personally, it took for me to the last minute. I wasn't one of those guys that kind of, I guess, took it serious off the bat. Like I kept going until one day I went and they were like, you know, the gym is closed, mandated until further notice. I'm like, damn. And just this week, I was like, all right, because I've been plotting on my work gym. They got a gym, and I'm like, you know what? Starting this week, I'm gonna just start hitting the work gym, you know, just sliding there on the low. I went past the work gym today to make sure everything was intact, which it has been all week. Went past the work gym, they had a sign on the door today, you know, do not use until further notice. I'm like, damn. So I'm like, where does this leave me? You know, if you've been following my channel, if you're a follower, you know what I'm saying, of this channel, you know that I've been on my bulk, you know what I'm saying? I've been eating, your boy been eating, you know what I'm saying? I just got my cut, you see my fat cheeks, I got my show day look back, you know what I'm saying? My pencil dick look back, you know, because I don't know if I'm gonna have to put a mask on my face. You know, they said if you have the beard, the mask don't work. But anyway, I've been eating, man, and I was about ready to cut. I was actually gonna start cutting the beginning of next week, first week of April. And you know how I do my cardio, slight cardio, nothing special, low, steady state with my weightlifting. Had my whole program in preparation for another show that I was going to do in August. As far as the competing goes, I think this competition season for me is pretty shot, man, because I just don't know how I'm gonna really be able to really prime my body for a competition with no gym. I don't think that's gonna be possible. And like I said, when I first heard news that the gyms were closing, and I'm sitting there looking at myself and I got this gut, you know what I'm saying, I've been eating good, I'm like, damn, like this is the last thing that I ever would have thought would have ever happened. You know, nobody could have predicted this, right? So I'm just like, dang, I'm sitting here, you know, into my bulk. I weigh somewhere around between 215 and 220, somewhere up in there. I don't look the best with my shirt off, but that's cool. And I just really got to thinking, man, I want to use this opportunity and this situation with the gyms being closed as an opportunity to challenge myself with fitness. And by saying that, I mean, like, I want to do things a little bit different. I mean, obviously, you know what I'm saying, I'm still going to work out. The only thing I've done since the gym's closed, this is the second week now, I have ran at FedEx Field twice. Me and my wife did a little like cardio circuit out there or whatever. I did a little house workout, which I hate working out in the house. I can't stand it. Like, it's just like, you know, for me, the vibes just aren't there. It's hard to really get motivated, you know, but I feel like I'm gonna embrace it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna embrace this situation, and I'm gonna use this situation as an opportunity to challenge myself with fitness. If you watched my last video when I was talking about how I felt about steroids, which you probably didn't, because I think that video got like 22 views. But if you did happen to see that one thing I did point out is that I made a comment where I said I don't know what I would really be without pre-workout. Like, you know, where would my fitness level be without pre-workout? So off the back, boom, I'm not gonna take pre-workout no more. Not because, like, you know, I don't like it. I don't need it at this point. Like, what am I lifting? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and decide to cut the pre-workout out. You know what I mean? In addition to that, like I said, I'm still gonna work out, so I gotta find other ways to challenge myself. And you know, the running is cool. I'm definitely gonna, you know, be doing the running and the dynamic workouts, and you know, just any type of circuits I can think of. But I'm real big on resistance. Like, I like lifting weights, and it's crazy because with me running at the stadium, Redskins Stadium, 2 times this week, I went from completely doing no cardio at all, just straight weightlifting, to only cardio. And like, it's killing me. I'm like, you know, my second challenge is to find ways to still get in my resistance training, which off the back, you know, I got calisthenics, I got my push-ups, you know, find a way to do some dips, some pull-ups, find something to curl. I saw somebody online doing some rows with like the 24 or 36 pack of bottled water. Like, that's clutch. Things like that, like just ideas of something I can do to add resistance. Of course, resistance bands, I got a couple of those, so I might have to actually order more. So I just want to sit here and just really think and brainstorm different ways that I can challenge myself, you know what I'm saying, up my fitness, you know what I'm saying, without the use of a gym. And I just feel that I really want to see how far I can get with that. I want to see, and this is the perfect time too, right? Because I'm at the tip of the bulk, the tip of the iceberg. I want to see how, and I hope this thing doesn't last long. Like, if they say we can go back to the gym tomorrow, I'm in the gym tomorrow. But it's looking like it's getting bad, man. It's not improving. I mean, if you ask me, I'm not even gonna get into all that because I don't want to get demonetized, man. They're marking what I say. They, right? But anyway, like I said, it's getting bad, and I'm just not gonna anticipate the gym opening up at least before May, in my opinion. Maybe mid-April to be at the earliest. Maybe not till June. They got this idea of maybe we might be all locked down, martial law and blah blah blah. Who knows, man? I don't know. But I want to see how far I can take my body from where I'm at right now, tip of the iceberg, the bulk, and I just want to see how far I can get with like circuits, dynamic workouts, cardio, resistance training, pull-ups, body weight stuff. I want to see how far I can get, and two, what I'm gonna end up looking like. Am I gonna become skinny, scrawny? Am I gonna retain muscle mass? Am I going to look better? Am I gonna like look like lean as hell? Just look like I'm fresh out of jail? I don't know. I'm really curious to see. And then I feel like, in addition to not using the pre-workout, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be more proud. Like, I'm not proud when I use pre-workout, but I'm just curious to see, like, you know, what is it gonna look like? What's the pumps gonna look like? No citrulline, no arginine, no nothing, no caffeine. Like, what am I gonna look like? You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to get on here, make a real quick video, let you all 250 of you guys know I'm still alive, I'm still here, I'm still working out, and drop a comment below, man. What's the way that you've been challenging yourself, or what have you been doing different since the gyms have been closed? You know, about to miss my exit for you guys. What have you been doing to challenge yourself, you know, keep your fitness up and running, become a better you? And what have you been doing to stay in shape? You know, drop something in the comments below so I can get some ideas. And if you're new here, this is your first time seeing my bald face. I'm normally not bald. I normally sport a beard, but if this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Wiz. This is my fitness channel. I produce videos about fitness tips, tutorials, fitness vlogs. I'm a fitness competitor, men's physique competitor specifically. So I was prepping for a show, but apparently I'm not anymore because of the state of the world. So if you like the vibes, go ahead and subscribe. You know, if you're new, join the crew. And until then, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video, man. Maybe I might come out with, if I come up with some nice routines, I might come out with some nice little videos. You know, home workout, no gym, no problem type of stuff. All right, so deuces. Hope everybody stays safe. Keep washing your hands. Don't cough in nobody's face. And yeah, keep living life, man. Find a way to prosper. And I'm gonna catch you guys later on, man. Peace out.